Welcome back. There are chances that auction price of iron ore may go up. Renowned Jindal company has come forward to participate in e-auctioning of mining ore in the state. Sources say that there are possibilities of auction of about 2 million ton ore on 5th March. Some of the political leaders claim that last week's auction was non-profitable to the state government. Mining experts say that auction price of ore is comparatively good if grade and moisture ore is concerned. The price of ore has also seen a fall in international market.
In first lot, state government has fetched up nearly 94 crores from e-auctioning of the extracted iron ore. Nearly 5 lakh tons ore was auctioned in last week, which was stocked for nearly 2 years on the jetties. Taking into account the moisture content in the ore, department had fixed nearly 64 crores as its base price. But during e-auction, government got nearly 94 crores, which was more than the base price, an average of 1,700 rupees per ton. Royal and Resources, total quantity 2 lakh, total price 39 crore, per ton price is 1,950 rupees. Kineta Global Limited, 20,000, total price 3.24 crore, per ton price is 1,620 rupees. Bagadia Brothers, 67,000, total price 12 crore, per ton price is 1,806 rupees. Seza Limited, 67,000, total price 8 crores, per ton price is 1,195 rupees. Sudhar Industries, 6,000, total price 1 crore, per ton price is 1,619 rupees. Fomento Resources, 50,000, total price 10 crore, per ton price is 2,164 rupees. Shri Durga Company, 54,000, total price 11 crore, per ton price is 2,045 rupees. And Agarwal Minerals, total quantity 20,000, total price 3 crore, per ton price is 1,710 rupees. Price of iron ore in the international market has come down. Earlier it was 6 to 7,000 per ton, but now it has slashed down to almost 2,500 per ton. It includes charges of export duty, transport charges, cess and other charges. Government has auctioned ore excluding all the charges. Experts from business say government has fetched a good price. According to sources, second slot of the ore will be auctioned on 5th March. This time, department will auction nearly 2 million tons of ore. Sources inform that Jindal Steel Company will take part in e-auctioning. On this backdrop, government is expecting more price during the e-auction. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Chairman of State Human Rights Commission Justice P.K. Mishra has said that pendency of cases across the courts is a matter of serious concern. Justice Mishra was speaking at concluding session of 3 days long educational event Lex Novitas at Salgaonkar College of Law. 16 law colleges across the country participated in this event.
3-day-long event, Lex Novitas event at Salgaonkar College of Law concluded on Sunday. While addressing the law students, former Chief Justice of Patna High Court and present Chairman of State Human Rights Commission, Justice P.K. Mishra expressed concern over matters getting delayed due to lack of courts and judges.
Nowadays, mainly because many of the cases they remain pending for years and years together. It is of course usual. If you ask anywhere, very often I go to National Judicial Academy Bhopal, and if we ask the judges that who is to be blamed for delay, many of them start pointing their fingers at the advocates. But this is not so. Actually, according to me, the delay in disposal of cases is on account of the fact that compared to number of cases, the percentage of judges is very less.
President of State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Justice Nelson Brito pressed for implementation of Consumer Protection Act in Goa.
We have what is known as the Consumer Protection Act of 1986, which is our consumer code. And see, you as consumers do not know about it, and I also would not have known about it had I not come from the State Commission. Now this Consumer Code Act is not properly implemented throughout India.
Lex Novitas helps law students to get experience of the court proceedings and checks the ability of law students to deal with the cases. In a 3-day-long event, 16 law colleges across the country participated in the moot court. ILS Law College Pune emerged as overall champion and got winning trophy for the 4th time. Mukesh Kumar and Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
All is not well at the Chicalim Cottage hospital. Medical waste is burnt in the hospital premises. Moreover, the hospital is not maintained properly. The patients have to face the brunt. But when questioned, the local MLA Carlos Almeida, he says a full-fledged new hospital will be ready within a year's time. Still, a year-long wait for the patients to get relief from shory state of affairs.
This is a Chicalim Cottage hospital just few kilometers away from the state's lone airport. This is one of the government-run hospitals that serve the Vascokas and entire Mormugao Taluka. However, the state of affairs in the hospital is sad. Medical waste is burned in the hospital premises. Have a look at the visuals. When questioned, the health officer of Vasco, Dr. Vikas Kuelkar, he points the patients.
But right now it is burning and we have the visuals.
Maybe रस्त्यावर गेले पडेल तर झाले असतील थोडे.
वहाँ के blood आचे आपने तो बस्टेड पडलं असलं.
कोणी पाहिजे की असतं एखादी मल पेशंट काटा उडतात.
The wards are no more better. Have a look. It gives a clear indication of poor maintenance.
कितना दिन से है इधर?
5 दिन से है.
नहीं पहले कपड़ा कुछ भी नहीं थे. आज जाने.
We again questioned the health officer of Vasco, Dr. Vikas Kuelkar. This time he blames the government.
आमचे इतले आमच्याकडे स्टॉक ना with this hospital setup इतली बेडशीट इतलेच आहे. I cannot ask more because of तुमची capacity इतली.
Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida was on a visit at the hospital. When media questioned, he said Vascokas will get a new hospital in a year's time.
I'm surprised actually that we are handling so many patients here, and I feel it is my duty also to upgrade it more. So I think in the span of maybe 1 year, 1.5 years, this hospital, this work should be completed.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.